So it's day 2 here in Koh Phangan. We're just having breakfast right now at our resort here, Cocoa Garden. So I got this veggie breakfast here. Carol got continental. Got some nice fruit over there. And this was both around like $4-5 US. So today the plan is that we're going to get a scooter and explore the island. This resort doesn't have any scooters, but apparently nearby we're able to rent one. And I think we're going to be heading to the northwest of the island. There's supposed to be some really beautiful beaches there, so yeah, we'll be heading there soon. So we just got our bike rental here. It's 250 baht a day, which is around like $7 a day, so pretty good price. So yeah, we're gonna head to the north now. Gonna be Carol's first time driving on the left. Alright, we've arrived. How was it driving on the left side?
Not so difficult. I think I'm getting used to it since we've been here in Thailand 2 weeks.
Yeah. So we arrived at the beach. This here is called Salad Beach, and it took about 30 minutes from the south to get here, so pretty close. Really beautiful ride all the way here, just nature everywhere, just really incredible. And this beach here just looks absolutely beautiful. Here we got really clear ocean, white sand, and it's just basically surrounded by palm trees. So it looks amazing here. Carol,
It's so nice.
Yeah, you finally got your cool water.
It's not warm.
Not warm. Literally everywhere we've been in Thailand so far has been really warm water, so this is finally a cool ocean. Carol, I've been here like 2 minutes, but I think this is already my favorite beach.
Yeah, I think so.
Just because it's surrounded by palm trees and everything. Amazing. And I think this is the clearest water we've had, right, in Thailand.
Yeah, I think so.
Check it out. This is definitely the chill beach, right?
Yeah.
Like you can just sit around because there's no waves. Pretty cool. I think it surprised me how different this island is to Koh Samui.
Oh yeah.
It's like only 30 minutes away, but absolutely different vibe. Like I said earlier, there was all commercialized. Here is like kind of deserted. And even here on the beaches, they have resorts, but it's not like the beach beds on the sand. They're more like to themselves. So yeah, they don't like take over the beach like in Koh Samui. This would be a great place to stay though. If we had known, maybe we would have tried to get some like Airbnb or something around here, because it's just beautiful. There's quite a lot of options, so yeah, check it out if you're coming here. Great place to stay. So Koh Phangan so far seems pretty amazing. So you probably saw from those drone shots how beautiful it is here. Basically, it just looks like one big jungle. And you probably also noticed there's loads of other beaches around here with really white sand. We're going to be heading out of this one soon and checking out another beach nearby that's supposed to be really nice. I think it's only like 5 minutes from here. And just to give you an idea of how hot it is, my phone was in my bag and now it's showing me a message that the temperature needs to cool down. I can't do anything on my phone. So even in my bag it got that hot and like I can't use it right now. So today has definitely been the hottest day, probably of my 2 months in Southeast Asia. It's been crazy hot. Dying. Probably because of this white sand as well, reflecting. I think the beach is that way, right? Yeah, you can cross to the other side. So we've arrived on the second beach now. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but I think it's called My Hat or something like that. I'll write it down anyway. And it's an interesting beach because the main beach is back there, but you can actually walk to an island over here. So we're heading to the island right now. It's pretty shallow here. I think at some times of the day this is actually all sand, but yeah, right now it's only knee height, so not too bad. But yeah, pretty cool experience walking to an island. You can see around here though, looks really beautiful once again, all the jungle. So we've arrived on the other island now, found some shade, so a lot better than the last island. You can see here, little relaxed getaway. Very calm here. And I checked on Google Maps, it seems that this place is called Koh Phangan. Koh means island, that's why you see it in a lot of the island names, so Koh Phangan. Carol has traded me in for Mike. What's up, Mike? Enjoying that sun? This dog smells though. Stinky Mike. How could you swap me for Stinky Mike? We were gonna walk down this path there, but some people just came back and said there's basically nothing there. There is, however, these weird abandoned huts here. So there's two of them, there's one here, and then this one full of graffiti. And also, I didn't mention that water there that we were swimming in, it actually smells like, kind of like sewage. Pretty disgusting actually. At first I thought it was Stinky Mike, the dog.
You're jealous.
I was yeah, I thought it was the dog, but it was actually the water. So yeah, I don't know if it's because it's in a little bay, like it collects all, I don't know what it collects, I don't really want to know because I just swam in it. But yeah, that first beach was a lot nicer, that's for sure. The water was a lot clearer, and the sand was like really white, and yeah, it didn't smell like sewage. So and I think we're gonna be heading out now. It's kind of cloudy and I think it's like 4 p.m. and we haven't even had lunch, so I think we're just gonna have to have a lunch dinner or something. So we're gonna be heading out right now, yeah. So back at the resort now, just got a mango lassi, which is like mango mixed with yogurt, super tasty. And I'm not going to be doing anything more today. Yeah, we've already done loads. Only just going to have dinner later on and that's about it. But we're just about to book our trip for tomorrow. We're going to be going to Ang Thong Marine National Park. It's supposed to be one of the most beautiful things to see here. It's basically a boat trip, all day trip. As always, just drop a like on the video, subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.